When we insert a symbol in the drawing, after selection, we can see all the attributes related to that particular symbol. The attributes are coming from the database. Database can be managed through the library manager. If you want to check which attributes are linked to a component type, you must go to the components, select the component types, select the component type you are looking at. As an example, I take the cylinder hydraulic, and on the right we can see all the attributes linked to the component type. There are model properties and display format. Display format are displayed combination of attributes in a drawing. As an example, we take our cylinder hydraulic. We can see that all the attributes are blank, but the same list of model data is corresponding to the library manager. When we type, as an example, a bore of 200 mm, a stroke of 150 and a rod of 120, Hydro will display automatically all these three combined in one line. This configuration is done in the library manager and is called display format. In order to check how this display format is created in the library, we must go to the display formats, select the display format, and it is possible to create a new display format. The cylinder size is made of three different attributes: bore, rod diameter, stroke, combined with prefix, suffix, and units. A display format can be displayed in the drawing. The display status can be toggled by expanding display setting and with a double click, hide and show, or by using the drop-down menu. It is possible to save model data to the database linked to the symbol. In order to do that, we just need to click Save to the library. When we do this, we will get a warning. Enter model code, model family, and manufacturer. There are 4 mandatory attributes that must be used in a component in order to allow saving in the database. They are model code, family, description, and manufacturer. So if we want to save this component, we'll need to type in a model code, cylinder 57, the model family is a cylinder, and the manufacturer is a vest. If we are done with the attributes, we can click Save. This message will warn the user that the model data is going to be added to the database. If we want, we can search directly by model code and find the symbol corresponding to that model code. In order to do that, we click on the 3 dots. Make sure that you are looking in the local database, and we can search by model code cylinder 57 and click Search. Now we can see that particular cylinder. With a double click, we can place the symbol in the drawing. When the same component is found in the drawing, Hydro will automatically increment by 1 the item ID in order to have quantity 2 in the bill of material. If you, on the other hand, have just a symbol in the drawing, the same symbol, it is possible to fetch from the library by clicking the Select from Library small command. Select from Library allows a search from the local database, and we can search for all the components linked to the database. Those are just sample data, but as you can see, we can find the cylinder 57, which is here. If you click OK, now the component will be populated automatically, retrieving the attributes from the database.